And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're gonna show you how to fake location on Netflix, Hulu, and every other app that you want to stream on unlimited. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Yeah, you heard me right, unboxing. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. And today we're looking at the StreamLocator VPN hub. So today we're gonna unbox this, show you how to change location on your Netflix and different other apps. We're gonna show you how to use this on all of your devices. The VPN that I've shown you before, be able to change the location on your iPhone only. Today we're gonna show you how to do that on all of your devices, on Android, iPhone, MacBook, and even on your Windows computer. The Stream Locator also works for smart TVs, gaming consoles like the PS5 and the brand new Xbox, or any gaming consoles that you want. And it'll work with 66 of world's most popular streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, Peacock, and DAZN. Stream Locator lets you switch your country on Netflix and other streaming services so you can access the full library and on multiple devices. This is the easiest way to do it. So one person could be watching Netflix US, United States, for example, in the same house as another person watching DAZN or Disney Plus in Canada or other streaming services. That's pretty good. Unlike VPNs, Stream Locator works on smart TVs and doesn't slow your internet connection. That's the best part. The other VPNs that I've shown you actually slows down your internet connection, but this one doesn't. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Go ahead and open this up. Boom. There you go. Nothing more in the box. Some literature right here. Put that on the side for now. A power brick right here. Put that right there. And the actual router. There you go. So there you go. It comes with 4 antennas right there. Boom! See that? Let's go ahead and keep opening this. There's a LAN cable right there, Ethernet cable, and that's it. It has a USB port back here, a bunch of different ports of Ethernet ports, power, and that's where you put your power adapter. Yeah, I'm pretty excited with this one as well. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if it works. Here we go. So basically this is our hub right here, our router hub right here. It also has its own wireless, but we're gonna connect this to our Stream Locator. What you need to do is plug this in right here, like so, just like that. And then take this to your Stream Locator. Right here, this is our Stream Locator. We're gonna put this on our WAN, WAN right there. Make sure it's powered on, plugged into our power right there on that side. And then all other devices that you have will just be plugged in to one of these. So as you can see, there's 4 slots that they gave us. So that's pretty good. This also gives us more space on our router. So there you go. So as you can see there, you'll know that it's working when everything is powered on right here. It says here there's a bunch of lights that will light up whatever is turned on. So right here it says that the 2.4G and the 5 gigahertz right there, all those are working, powered on obviously, right? There's a USB slot where you can to give Wi-Fi signal or internet signal to a computer, WPS, and then the WAN is connected right here as it's lit up, and then the LAN 1 is going to our Mesh Force device. So there you go. Everything's all good to go. So basically what you need to do is go to the back of the router, the Stream Locator router, and follow the steps. You will need the activation code, and you'll need to go to the go.streamlocator.com. Once you've done all the sign up and the credentials and all that stuff, then you're all set up. So we've done it already right here. It says Stream Locator is set up. Now connect any device you use for streaming to your Stream Locator Wi-Fi network right here. Click on this guide step by step. So we won't do that today. We're just gonna go with complete step right here. And then what we'll need to do is go to our Wi-Fi settings right here. We have to connect to our StreamLocator. So you're just gonna look on your Wi-Fi connection right here for the StreamLocator. Right here, we found it, and then punch in your passcode. There you go. Once you've hit join, there you go, then you're good to go. Now let's go back to our app right here on the Safari so we can change our location. Let's test out Netflix. Let's open up Netflix and show you what I got for Netflix shows. There you go, Netflix. So as you could see, this is the what I have on Netflix in Canada. Our location right now is Canada. So we're just gonna search up, I think SpongeBob is especially on Canada right there. There's SpongeBob SquarePants in Canada and other shows that is available here. There you go. One of the shows that I really like is the American Horror Story, which we don't have in Canada. So what we'll do is we're gonna kill that app right there, and we're gonna change our location to United States. There you go. It says there that it's updating the router settings. Once it's all done, then it would have the United States on the Netflix. So now let's go ahead and test out Netflix if it'll actually work. There you go. Now we're gonna go with American Horror Story right there, which we don't have here in Canada, like I said earlier. Now we're just gonna go hit play, and as you could see, it's playing the preview right away. Clearly it's working right now. There you go. So we're just gonna change this to my iPhone. There you go. Skip that part right there. And there you go, it's working. There you go. Now you can browse around on any shows that you want anywhere in the world, in whatever place you want to. Now let's try it out on our PC. So here we are on our PC. We have the Netflix turned on right now. We're gonna go ahead. I'm already connected to the Wi-Fi network here. I have my mesh force connected to the StreamLocator Wi-Fi. Right here, it's on an Ethernet cable right there. And then we're gonna go with American Horror Story. Let's just test that out. And there you go. As you can see there, we'll be able to play that no problem at all. Continue to where we're watching. There you go. You can skip ahead like that.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna be enforcing any of them.
You know, spoilers alert, right? We don't wanna show you guys too much. So there you go. Now there are so many features that the StreamLocator has. It has the Netflix. You'll be able to change the location on Netflix anywhere in the world. As you can see here, they have United States, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Korea, Brazil, and Mexico. That's pretty good. They also have Acorn TV. It says here as well, you can change it to United States or United Kingdom. Crunchyroll as well right here. You can change it to United States. DAZN. You can change it to Canada, Germany, United States. Disney Plus. For those of you who likes Disney Plus, you'll be able to change your location right there as well to United States, Canada, or United Kingdom. Dplay, whatever that is, I don't know what that is, so it says here that you can change it to United Kingdom and Italy. There you go. Plex, United States as well. Showmax, and Shudder. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your location on different shows like Netflix, Acorn TV, Crunchyroll, and Disney Plus. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one yourself as well, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and try it out. I really recommend this. This is the easiest way so that you can change location on all of your devices cross-wide. As long as you connect to a Wi-Fi network, that's all you need to do. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace. Man, this is unreal. I can't believe you could just use a VPN router and then it'll just work for everything. That's pretty good. Man, you can use this for game console. Like, come on, man. People ask me all the time. I don't even know how to connect to a different location. Now you can use this on smart TV as well. Wow, crazy.